told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals.
With a contemporary and futuristic design, the music application expects users to enjoy the display that is delivered and makes it a partner who can accompany
Okay, just let me be
the
me and
mood
stay
of
out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace.
Profile page. Usually before it goes into the setup profile, when opening an application, opening the music apps, we have to log in or sign in. But because it's too mainstream, we skip the part of the login or sign in page. Okay, in the setup profile, we need to input our information. We can change our profile picture, write our names, make usernames, enter our birth, and enter our birth date, and we can choose our gender whenever we want. And after input our information, we need to click choose your favorite to choose what genre we love, like metal, pop, jazz, and etc. So music can give us a song recommendation. And if we want to make setup profile at this step, we can drag down like this. Farhan, that's okay. And after we check it, and if it feels right, we click choose your favorite again, and that we can click.
in the homepage. There is a search bar. So if you want to find certain songs or artists, you can input something like the name of the song of the artist you want to find into it, and then press enter, and then it will come up with results. I mean, it's just like any other search bar. Everybody knows how the search bar works. And then on the left side of the search bar here, on top of it, there's a something here called a navigation sidebar. I think that's it for from our group. You know, yeah, it's all of the page.
Maybe someone want to ask a question, yeah. That can be. Actually, yeah, just out of curiosity, why do you, if Spotify using like green color, why you use purple? Is there any reason, or is just for the sake of looks?
So here I make some purposes in the interactive text filling that our team made. The name of the application is Scheduling. What is Scheduling? Scheduling is an application designed to help track your activity or work data, as well as schedule your upcoming reminders and set them and not. In addition, this application allows users to save important data of your activity by scheduling in the account at the time of registration.
In this login page, we as usual enter our email and our password. But if we don't have an account in the application, we can register on the register page in the sign up button, or we can also go directly to the menu page by using a Grace account.
Okay, so while waiting, I'm going to say good morning, everyone. It's nice to meet you. Today we are going to present our mock-up, our app about health, which is MoniCovid. MoniCovid is a COVID monitoring app. So like we want the user to be safe during this pandemic, so they could easily find clinics, hospitals, and symptoms and all. So
on ID number, you can use your passport or citizen ID. And when you finish your form, you can click register to open the app. And then this is our homepage. There are help desk buttons.
So I'll start with scan this. When we click the scan barcode scanner, it will take you here, and the camera will open if we allow it. And when we allow, it will show up this that your check-in is successful, and you can check it in the public places. And if you want to check out, you can just click the checkout button and then check in again to another places. The next will be presented by Kadista.
okay, I'm going to continue the next one, which is hospital and clinic. So in here, as usual, if people are sick, they're going to search for the nearest clinic and hospital. But sometimes we're not in the place where we, in the same place of our ID, like where we're traveling. So in here, if we turn on the done file, it means we are using the
That logo is actually for branding purpose so that people can acknowledge our logo and remember it when they are opening our app. And then under logo, you can see that there's the button and typing by that with and then on the right side of the logo. Under the Facebook and Google logo button, you can see that you can also continue with your email or with your username and password. And you can also continue to log in with your existing account. You can log in by pressing the login button on the very bottom of this screen.
Balance, and you can also edit your by edit profile button or by tapping the manage account shortcut to manage your whole account. And you can also ask for help if you feel lost or confused about our help or features, and then you can also ask our customer service and they will serve and help you if you need any help. And then there's this top up shortcut where you can top up and add more balance to your account to keep using the app. And then there's this log out button from this account, and then with this button you can log out from your account or switch to another account, or if you want to quit using the app you can choose to log out from your account so that your account cannot be distracted from anything.
Is UShare. It's one of the program that you can use in Unnews that you can share to all of the people in Unnews that people that use Unnews. For example, if you tap the search bar on the top,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you